Welcome to Click and Print. This demo will show you how to print and design 2-up note cards. To start, click on the Cards category. The 2-up note cards are located in 8.5 by 11 cards and under 2-up note cards. On this template, the bold line represents the fold-over line for your cards. The dotted line represents the perforation line where you can tear your cards. Use the horizontal and vertical buttons at the top of the screen to rotate your template accordingly. At any time, you can use the zoom in and zoom out buttons to get a better view of your page. In this example, we're going to make a thank you card. To start, add a text box using the text box button at the top of the screen. First, write your salutation. You can freely adjust the position of any text box by dragging and dropping it. Be sure to highlight any text you wish to change. You can adjust the size of your text by using the size box in the right-hand menu. You can select fonts individually, or you can check off the Click to Hover over Font box. By doing so, you will be able to mouse over fonts and watch them change to see which one works best for your card. Similarly, you can check off the Click to Hover over Color box to change the color of your text. Copy your text box into the next card by using the Copy and Paste buttons at the top of the screen. Edit your salutation for the appropriate recipient. Add more text boxes and finalize the message for your card. When you're satisfied with your text, you can add clip art or shapes and lines to embellish your cards. Click and Print features a wide variety of free clip art sorted by holiday and by theme. Like with your text, you can adjust the size of your clip art and also make copies of it using the copy and paste icons at the top of the screen. When you're happy with the inside of your note cards, save your template using the Save button in the top left corner of the screen. Be sure to distinguish this template as the inside of your note cards. Next, open a new template by clicking on the New icon in the top left corner of the screen. Be sure to select the same blank 2-up note cards template as you did earlier. In this template, we will be designing the cover for our note cards. Be sure to orient the page horizontally like we did for the last template. The cover will be on the lower half of the template, below the fold line. To create the cover, we can use clip art, shapes and lines, or write out our own text. Since we're making thank you cards, we're just going to use some thank you clip art. Drag the clip art onto the cover and adjust the size accordingly. Copy and paste the clip art for the next cover. If you wish to add a message on the back of your cards, rotate the template upside down. Add a text box and write your message. Use the alignment buttons on the right-hand menu to adjust your text to the left, right, or center. Again, copy and paste your text box for the second card. Be sure to rotate your template back to the original position. And once again, save this template separately as the outside for your note cards. When you're ready to print, click the print icon. We need to set the printer preferences so our document prints correctly. Under Preferences, make sure that the paper size is a standard 8.5 by 11 letter size, and make sure that the orientation is landscape. Be sure that you have the correct printer selected. In this menu, print as many copies of your cover as you need. It may be helpful to print a test page of your cover before you do this. When you have all of the covers printed that you need, click on File in the top left corner to open your inside template. In iClicknPrint, you can customize up to 10 pages of note cards. To do this, click Add New Page at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, you now have 2 pages queued up at the bottom of your screen. Simply customize these new note cards for your next recipients. When you print, all of the pages you have queued up will print out sequentially, one after the other. When you're ready, click Print at the top of the screen. Again, make sure that the paper size is letter and that the orientation is landscape. You will have to load the pages where you printed the outside of your card into your printer. It is very important that you print a test page when you do this to determine how to print the inside of your cards correctly. Print out as many tests as you need before you load your real cards into your printer. Thanks for using iClicknPrint. We hope you enjoyed using the program. Please contact our customer service team if there's anything you need assistance with.